Okay, we're going to show Grandma. Here's your veggies. Carrots and peas and all kinds of good stuff. Love them veggies. And now we're going to try some chicken. You going to do chicken today? Is it a chicken day? Not feeling it, huh? Okay. Veggies. Like them veggies. Veggies. And chicken. Eat the chicken. You little turkey. I love you, dude.